All right, we've been playing a lot of Switch here lately, and we have been playing with a lot of different remotes, and I figured that I would go through another review on this Switch remote. Got this Switch remote from Amazon probably 6 months ago, maybe a little bit longer than that, and it has held up very, very nicely. This is a very affordable Switch Pro remote. I think it was like less than 20 bucks. It was very, very inexpensive, but I really, really like it. It's got USB-C charging port on it. It holds a charge for a couple days. I mean, we will play a couple hours every day on these guys and maybe charge it once a week, if that. So the battery holds up very well in these guys. The buttons, you can actually see the letters on the front, which I really like. Some are just completely black. You know, I'm getting old and I don't play games as much as what I used to. So seeing the letters actually in white, I really like them. You can hear them. They're not too terribly loud when you're playing. When you're playing it, you might hear that, but not really too loud. The buttons on the back, there's not a whole lot of play. So if you're playing some kind of like racing game and you have like a lot of like acceleration stuff, this may not be the controller that you're looking for because there's not a whole lot of play on that. But overall, these things have held up very, very nicely. These grips right here, when you're holding them, it almost feels like a rubber around these grips. And that's kind of like what it looks like too. But anti-slip, I mean, you are not going to be slipping around with these guys. They are very durable and kind of rigid and a little bit rough. I mean, it's not rough, but you know, it's grippy. So I don't feel like my hands ever get really too hot or slick with this thing. It feels really nice. Even the tops here are kind of like a rubbery top, so your finger's not going to be sliding off as easily on these guys. But yeah, if you are looking for an affordable Switch remote, I will leave the link below. This is a great pro remote. We've even used this on our PC as well. You just plug that in there and it'll register as a Nintendo Pro Switch on your computer. So if you want to play Madden or something like that, this works well with that. So give it a look, see what you think.